Thank you. Good afternoon. I am Alexa Burr. I'm the Vice President of our Standards and Segment Services Group within the Global Industry Services Division at the American Petroleum Institute. API is a trade association and standards developing organization that represents all segments of the oil and natural gas industry. And within my team, we have a number of different groups there. We have our standards developing team. Then we have our intellectual property and distribution team. So they're responsible for selling our standards and distributing them globally. We have a statistics team that helps analyze a lot of our industry safety data. And then we have our system programs team, which implements a number of assessment and safety related programs that are based on API standards. So API, in addition to being a traditional trade association, is a standards developing organization. We actually published our first standard in 1924, so we have been doing this for quite a while. And we have currently today over 800 standards that are used throughout the oil and natural gas industry, every segment from upstream oil exploration and production to pipeline transportation to downstream refineries, and then equipment supply manufacturers as well. So our standards are used by the industry all around the world to help them improve their operational integrity, safety, and environmental performance to help them operate sustainably while delivering the energy that we need. Standards help the industry contribute to all 17 of the Sustainable Development Goals. Of course, we know we play a much more significant role and critical role with some more than others, including SDG 7 on affordable and clean energy, SDG 12 on sustainable consumption and production, SDG 8 on decent work and economic growth. So these are the areas where we know we have a bigger contribution than others. So API standards help the industry perform efficiently, help us reduce our environmental footprint while delivering that affordable, clean energy that we need to support the world's growing population. Many of our standards help reduce our environmental footprint by reducing emissions. We even have some new standards that are getting into community engagement and how companies across the supply chain are expected to be engaging with their communities around them and considering that as they develop community action plans and raise awareness for all of the safety protocols that they have in place among their communities. So we have a number of standards also that are helping us operationalize new technologies and innovative products. So as we look towards the energy transition, we have a number of standards that are helping us commercialize hydrogen production, as well as CCUS and lower carbon technologies. Not sure I can pick a favorite standard, if you will, but we do have some newer standards that are helping bring 3D printing to offshore platforms. And this really helps improve the operational efficiency of those offshore platforms when they need a new piece of equipment. They can much easier access that through 3D printing as opposed to depending on the supply chain, which is, of course, experiencing a number of challenges. So we have a lot of great new standards that are helping bring new technologies to the forefront. However, I do have to say I'm a big fan of some of our classic standards, if you will. API has a number of safety management system standards, and my background is in quality and safety management. So I really appreciate the importance of some of these standards like API RP 75 for offshore safety and environmental management systems, or API RP 1173, which is our pipeline safety management system. I just like how these standards really take a comprehensive approach to helping companies implement a safety management system to help improve their operational integrity performance, as well as keep their employees and the communities around them safe.